Do you want to quit your job once and for all but don't know how? Learn how you can stay on top by doing it in the best way possible. 99% of people get it wrong.
Think bigger.
Had enough of your job? You can quit a job with your positive image intact. These tips for a professional resignation letter can help you leave your company gracefully. Sometimes starting a new job or business can be the exact best thing for your life. No matter your motive for leaving, make sure you're doing everything to remain professional and leave on a high note. 1. Deliver the letter in person. Your direct manager will typically be the first person you inform that you're leaving the company. Schedule a meeting to tell him or her that you are resigning from your role. You can either come to the meeting with your resignation letter in hand, or if you're meeting virtually, email the letter immediately after to get it on the record.
Keep the resignation letter short, concise, and also positive. And please do not use the job resignation letter or email as a platform to either criticize or to provide feedback to your boss or your employer. Please do not do that.
Your manager will walk you through next steps and determine the best course of action for your remaining days at the company. 2. Provide your last date of employment. Giving the proper amount of advance notice for leaving a company is essential. The standard in the U.S. is 2 weeks from the day you inform your organization of your departure, so be sure to date the resignation letter for HR's record.
Begin the letter by explaining your intention of resignation and your last day of employment. This will make it crystal clear to your employer that you are indeed resigning and when they can expect your departure. You can use a statement like this. Please accept this letter of resignation from my position as, include the position title, my last date with, include the company name, will be, and then include the date.
That said, you should still plan for immediate departure. Your company may have your last day be in less than 2 weeks from submitting your resignation letter, so try to communicate that with your new employer and prepare for this financially. 3. Show gratitude. It's important to remain positive and professional in a resignation letter. Use this platform to thank your employer for the opportunities they've given you. Professionalism plays a huge role in this tip because even if you can't wait to leave, showing gratitude in your letter is still courteous and helps you leave your company gracefully.
Provide a brief thank you that lets your employer know that you are grateful for the career opportunities and the growth that you had while working at the company. This will be much appreciated by your employer and increases the chances that your employer will give you a good reference or a good recommendation later on.
4. Offer to help. When you quit a job, one or more of your team members will likely absorb your responsibilities as a backfill until your replacement is hired. Your colleagues will greatly appreciate any effort you display to make the transition easier on them. Not only is this a positive gesture, but you also never know when you will see these people again, so leaving them with a good impression can be a smart move. Have you ever written a letter? How hard is it for you?
How to start a company with your boyfriend or girlfriend. There's a formula for avoiding all the common mistakes. Click on the video and watch.